In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create professional resume in Canva. We'll start by finding the right template. Then tailor the content and design to your goals, and finally export a high-quality file that's ready to share or print. Begin by opening Canva and typing resume or CV in the search bar. You'll see over 8,000 professionally designed templates. If you know your field, try adding a keyword like finance, engineering, or marketing to narrow the results. Look for layouts with clear sections and enough white space, so your information is easy to scan. Next, choose the best layout for your industry. For corporate or technical roles, a clean minimalist design with strong headings and simple lines works best. If you are in a creative field like design or marketing, a more colorful or visually expressive template can help your personality stand out. Pay attention to structure. A single column tends to be more ATS friendly, while a two-column layout can showcase skills and highlights efficiently. Now customize the content. Double-click any text box to replace placeholder text with your details. Start with your name and contact information. Then a short profile or summary focused on your strengths and the value you bring. Add a skills section with targeted, relevant skills. In your work experience, use concise bullet-style lines to describe achievements, focusing on outcomes and results. Keep formatting consistent. Use the same date style throughout and make sure your most important details are easy to find at a glance. Refine the design elements to match your personal brand. Choose readable fonts and limit yourself to one primary font with a complementary accent font. Keep color choices intentional. One neutral base with one or two accent colors creates a polished look. Ensure strong contrast for readability, and maintain consistent spacing, margins, and alignment. If you want to include a professional photo, upload a recent headshot with a neutral background. Drag it into the circular frame in your template and use the crop and adjust tools to center it. Avoid heavy filters so the image looks natural and professional. Make sure your sections follow a logical, reverse chronological order. List your most recent work experience first, followed by earlier roles. Do the same for education, placing your latest degree or certification at the top. Before exporting, review and refine. Use Canva spell check. Zoom in to check spacing and alignment, and proofread carefully. When you are happy, click Share, then Download, and choose PDF Print for the highest quality. That's it. Thanks for watching.